Hello student, once again I am Sudhi. So I would like to wish you all you my dear student of class 6. So today in my video I will show you the next part of the chapter, that is improper and mixed fraction. Improper fraction and mixed fraction. So there is something to do with these two fractions called improper fraction and mixed fraction. Okay. And in the previous video, in my video I was not there, but I just make all in the screen recording. I was trying my best to understand to make you understand. So there I have already explained about what is mixed fraction, what is proper fraction, what are the different types of fractions. I already explained here. Now something is to do with these two, improper and the mixed fraction. That I will tell you. Okay, clear? See, any given improper fraction can be converted into the mixed fractions. That I will tell you. Okay, clear? Let us take one improper fraction here. Improper fraction. Okay. One improper fraction, that is, let us say 17 by 5. So this 17 by 5 is improper fraction. So you can see that denominator is smaller than the numerator, and it is improper fraction. So this improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. How it can convert into mixed fraction? You see here, to convert the mixed fraction, let us go to the division. You know what is division, you know how to divide it. So this 17 by 5 means dividing this 17 by 5. We have to divide 17 by 5. See here, take the division columns and put the 17 here, you know, in divide by 5, isn't it? So 5, how many times we divide? 5, 3 are 15, and 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder, 2 is the remainder, and 3 is the quotient we have, and the 5 is the divisor, isn't it? So what happened? To convert, okay, in mixed fraction, now we are going to convert this in mixed fraction. So what happened? First of all, mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, isn't it? So for that fraction in the mixed, the denominator will be same. No need to change this. 5 will be 5. Okay. But in this numerator, what number will be there? Can you see remainder here? This remainder is 2. So this 2 will keep here on numerator, and one whole number will be the quotient. The quotient here is 3, so 3 will be here. So 3 will be the whole part of the whole number, and fraction part will be 2 and 5. 2 is the remainder and 5 is the denominator itself from the improper fraction. This is how we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction into mixed fraction. Again, mixed fraction also can be converted into the improper fraction. Let us see how we can do it. Okay. So now let us take another example of a mixed fraction. So a mixed fraction is here, direct mixed fraction. Yes. A mixed fraction, there is let us say 7 2 by 5. 7 2 by 5. Now what is 2 let us write 3. 7 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction, isn't it? So here we are going to convert this in improper fraction. Improper fraction. If we want to convert it into improper fraction, then what we will do is that, you see, just draw a little longer line. What is the 3 as a denominator? Keep as a 3. Okay. And on the top, in the numerator, what we are going to do is that we are going to multiply 7 and this 3. 7 and 3. 7 into 3, then we have to add 2. So first of all, what we have to multiply this 7 into 3, we are getting here 21 and plus 2. Again, what is there? See, this number is not changing. Don't forget. Okay, here. Then how much? We get here 21 plus 2 means 23 by 3. So 23 by 3 is the improper fraction of this mixed fraction here. This is how we change the improper into the mixed or mixed into the improper fraction. Okay, with this we will do the exercise 7.2. Is very simple. So we'll discuss with the questions there also. Okay. So we have exercise 7.2. Now, question number sorry, 1, okay. Question number 1 is asking us like this. Draw number line. This number line and locate the points on them. Points on them. I will show you. Okay, I will show you. The rest you can do. Yeah, the rest you can do. C will be a little difficult. C I will say. Now you see here number A. The given fractions are like this: 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4. So for this, what you have to do today, my dear student, look here. See, just draw a number line. This is number line, isn't it? Number line. So all are positive. No need to take the negative part, isn't it? Yes. All are positive. It's just all the positive fractions only. So what you have to do here, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. See 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. In drawing the number line to locate the fractions, I will tell you one thing there, my dear student, listen carefully. If the fraction is proper fraction, if the fraction is proper fraction, that fraction will always lies between 1 and 0. Once again, if the fraction is proper, how big the fraction doesn't matter. Maybe it is 1000 by 10,000, proper fraction. 10,000 by 1 lakh, proper fraction. Anyway, how much big the fraction doesn't matter. But if the fraction is proper fraction, then the fraction will be lying between 0 and 1 in the number line, or on the number line. Okay, so all are proper fraction. Means all these points will be lying in between 0 and 1. So let us take here as 1. Plus 1. All are positive, so plus 1 will be, isn't it? So these all points will be lying in between this 0 and 1 here. No need to be so much take very big thing as a big thing, okay? Not to take as big things. Now you see here where 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. For that, you make this 0 and 1 into equal 4 parts. Equal 4 parts. So make equal 4 parts. Here you see. Yeah, we got here 2. Half part. Isn't it? Here again. Then we got here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we got 4 parts. Equal parts. Part must be equal. You must make equal parts once again into 4 equal parts. Okay. So let us say you are making 4 equal parts here. So here this part here is 1 by 4. Means 1 divided by 4. 1 part. And the second part means 2 by 4. Okay, and then this is third, 3 by 4, and this one is 4 by. We get all the points here. Yes, right. So this is 1 by 4. You get here the 1 by 2. Where is the 1 by 2? 1 by 2. You can write this as 1 by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 is 4. So 2 1 by 2 is here, which is a half. Half. 1 by 2. So this is the 1 by 2. So like this we can once again you see that please keep this for some time. Okay, no need to worry. All are proper fraction. So all this proper fraction will be getting, all these points are proper fractions. All these proper fraction will be lying in between 0 and 1. So how we can define now is that make 0 and 1 into equal 4 parts. This is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, isn't it? 1 part, 1 by 4, 2 parts, 2 by 4, isn't it? Then 3 parts, 3 by 4. Here to here is 4 parts, 4 by 4. There is 1. Okay, and 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, 1 by 2 is 1. Simple, isn't it? Then next, number C. I will show you number C. B is yours. Okay, B you do yourself. In C, the given points are like this: 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, then 4 by 5. My dear friend, I just want to rewrite this, okay, for making more understanding. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. These all are proper fraction, isn't it? These all are proper fraction and one is their improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction. Please, this part, let us try to understand what is the mixed number of mixed fraction of this improper. So this will be 5 1 is 5, 3 by 5. You can see here 1 3 by 5. Means this number will be this point 8 by 5 will be locate. Okay, we will locate this point beyond 1 between 1 and 2, not between 2 and no between 0 and 1. Okay, it will be between 1 and 2 because proper fraction will be between 0 and 1. If this improper fraction, then we have to find out the whole number. It is 1 just beyond the 1 but before 2, isn't it? Between 1 and 2. If it is 2 here, then between 2 and 3. Now 1, so between 1 and 2. So let us try to find out this. Okay, for this we are going to make a number line. And number line will be like this with a longer, right? So that here I start with all are positive and I also move straight. This. So let us make two equal parts. Here is 1 and here is 2. And then what happens, you see, the denominators are 5, 5, 5. So each part will be again, means, it's 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 1 and 2. These two parts will be again divided into equal 5 parts. Each will be again divided into equal 5 parts. Because of our denominators is there. Because of denominator 5. Okay? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Think that equal 5 parts we have divided. This also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. So 5 times we have divided into equal parts. Okay, 5 equal parts we have divided. Then you see this proper fraction will be here. Yes. This is 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Here you see 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. These are the numbers that we are going to locate. These are the then now what about this 8 by 5? 8 by 5 you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the point here. But here my dear student, it is 1 by 5, 1 by 2 by 5, and 1 3 by 5. 1 by 3 by 5 is here. So 1 by 3 by 5 is equal to 8 by 5. So 8 by 5 is the point here. Okay. So this is the answer for question number 1 and let's go to question number 2. Okay. Just go through little once more again this part. Try to understand. Very simple. Hello, my dear student. Now, just to see, we have question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 2 is asking express the following in this question. Very simple. Express number 3 also express the following in the proper imperfection. Very simple. Very important. Just also the these questions and the remaining is yours. Okay, yours means your homework. You do as a practice. Okay, and also don't forget to do these things what I have given you as homework. Okay, now let's see how we can do what is. So we are going to convert this as mixed fraction or express as mixed fraction. Now let's see. Now equal to, okay, equal to, see, to convert into mixed fraction, what we have to do is that we have to divide 20 by 3. So 20, how much will be here? 3 6 are 18. Yes. 3 6 are 18, then remainder is 2. Now that means mixed fraction. Because mixed fraction it is, this question will be taken as the whole part, and 2 will be as the numerator, and this 3 will be the denominator. So the answer is 6 2 by 3. Okay, next 17. Now this 17 will divide by 7. So 7 2 jar 14. How much? 3. Then the answer is 2 3 by 7 is the answer. 2 here, 3 top, then 7 will be down. As you see, the denominator will not change. Okay, only you have to understand where we put the divider and where we put the remainder. That's where we put the quotient and where we put the remainder. That's only. Okay. Now next you see here, this also we have to divide 35 by 9. Now 9, 36 there is now, we cannot divide by that 36, we have to divide by 27. 9 3s are 27, then we get here 8. Isn't it? Then you see here 9. 9 will be as this. Okay. Then this 3 will be the whole part, and 8 will go here. 3 8 by 9. 3 8 by 9 is the mixed fraction. Okay. Then next, express the following as improper fraction. For that, what we have to do is here, my dear student, do a little longer line here. Then we have to multiply this whole number 7 and 4. 7 into 4. Okay. Once again, you see here, please try to understand. Draw a line here first. Okay. Just we are going to multiply denominator and number 7 into 4. Then we have to plus 3 here. Then here denominator will be the same 4. Okay. Then next what we have to do, 7 4s are 28 plus 3 equal to by 4. Then equal to 28. 3 means how much? 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3 is 31 by 4. 31 by 4 is an improper fraction converting from the given mixed fraction. Like this, here also you see, take longer line here, then 10 into 5, 10 into 5, 10 into 5 into plus 3. And denominator will be 7 5. Then next, then 10 into 5 is 50 plus 3 by 5. That means you are getting here 53 by 5. So 53 by 5 is the improper fraction. Here also, see, draw a longer line here. Then 8 and 9 will be multiplied. This will be multiplied and plus 4. Plus 4. Then denominator will be as this now. Then here 8, 9 plus 7, 2 plus 4 by 9. Then we get here 76 by 9. This is the answer based improper fraction of the even mixed fraction. This is how we can do it. So with this we have finished this exercise 2, and also with this here we come to the end part of today's sessions. And my dear student, you must learn that how we convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions or improper to the mixed fractions. All these are very important for you to understand this logic. Okay, don't forget how this I express here. This is the same way we have to follow in the other questions also. If in the future. Okay, so my dear student, for today, here we end for the session today. So we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, have a nice day all of you, and thank you once again for watching me. Bye bye, take care.